Managing clients and projects efficiently is a must in today's fast paced world, and CoConstruct can help you do just that, seamlessly integrating both client communication and project management. But how does it stand out from the competition? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why it could be the perfect fit for your business and how you can try it completely free with our exclusive bonuses. First thing you'll notice with CoConstruct is its all in one approach. You don't need multiple tools to keep track of your projects and clients. Whether you're managing budgets, schedules, or client expectations, everything's housed in one platform. This means less time spent jumping between tabs and more time focusing on what truly matters. Next thing that sets CoConstruct apart is its client portal. This feature lets you keep your clients in the loop in real time without needing constant phone calls or emails. They can access their project details, track progress, and even approve budgets or changes directly through the platform. It simplifies communication and makes your clients feel involved and informed at all times, which helps build trust and long-term relationships. Now, let's talk about budgeting and estimating. With CoConstruct, you can create detailed budgets, estimate costs, and keep your project's finances on track. The software automatically updates the budget as changes occur, so you'll never be caught off guard by unexpected expenses. This real-time financial tracking is crucial in keeping projects profitable and on schedule. The fourth thing to highlight is CoConstruct's scheduling tools. It allows you to create project timelines with specific tasks, assign them to team members, and even track the progress of each step. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your calendar, ensuring you never miss a deadline or meeting. This is essential for staying organized and ensuring smooth project execution. Then, there's the robust reporting and analytics feature. With CoConstruct, you can generate detailed reports about your projects, financials, and overall performance. These insights help you make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and prove your value to clients. If you're aiming for continuous improvement, this feature is a game changer. The last thing worth mentioning is the mobile app. You can manage your projects, clients, and teams on the go. This is especially useful for construction professionals who are often out in the field. With CoConstruct's app, you can stay connected to everything, from task assignments to client approvals, right from your phone. So why is the software the best fit for managing your clients and projects? With its seamless integration, real-time updates, and powerful tools, CoConstruct keeps you organized, transparent, and efficient. If you're ready to take your project management to the next level, check out the first link in the description below to access the software completely free and claim exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on the extended free trial. It's only available through this link. Thanks for watching.